This is the Cooler waterproof meat thermometer, and let me open it up so you can take a peek. It also comes with this meat temperature chart, as well as extra batteries too. This is very easy to use right out of the box, and all you have to do is open the probe and it starts working right away. Another nice feature, it has a temperature chart right on the thermometer. It says for poultry, you should cook for 165, for ground meat 160, as well as medium rare, medium, as well as well done too. Another nice feature, it has a hole, so you can hold it onto an S-hook too. And in case it's dark while you're grilling, there's also a backlight too. Isn't that cool? And as soon as you close it, it'll turn off, thus saving battery life. This is perfect for grilling, baking, deep frying, and even to check beverages, like baby formula. Something that I really like is it has a magnetic back, so you can easily just stick it on to something magnetic like a dishwasher or a refrigerator, or right on the grill too. Perfect! It's also waterproof and can withstand accidental drops too. This is perfect to buy for yourself or would make a great gift for a barbecue enthusiast. Almost ready! Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Happy grilling!